Hey, Future Wealth Builders, welcome back. During this journey, we discovered our roots. We uncovered inherited financial narratives. We decoded encoded financial behaviors. We healed, we educated, we built structure. We planned intentionally. Now, we leave something behind. Welcome to the final stage. Chapter 7, Creating Your Financial Footprints. Footprints are not assets. Footprints are evidence. Evidence that you are here. Evidence that you chose differently. Evidence the cycle changed because you decided it would. An inheritance can be spent. A trust can be dissolved. A policy can mature. But a footprint guides direction. It teaches without speaking. It remains long after the transaction ends. Creating financial footprints is not about leaving money alone. It is about leaving knowledge, values, structure, conversation, confidence, because generational wealth is not just financial capital. It is intellectual capital, emotional capital, relational capital. So I want you to imagine a future where your children do not inherit confusion. They inherit clarity. Where your grandchildren do not inherit anxiety. They inherit confidence. Where wealth does not disappear by the third generation. Why? Because knowledge was transferred with intention. That is a footprint that you created. However, unfortunately, you may never meet the generation that benefits from your discipline, but they will live inside the structure you created. They will breathe inside the stability you engineered. They will build on the foundation that you fortified. That is stewardship beyond self. We started with your past, which explains you, but it does not define you. We moved into healing, then literacy, then capability, then stability, then legacy planning. And now we arrive at the final step, creating your financial footprint. Now, as you recalled in chapter 6, the phrase shirt sleeves to shirt sleeves in 3 generations. But that proverb only applies when knowledge is not transferred, when healing is avoided, when literacy is ignored, when planning is absent, when footprints were never intentionally created. You are no longer reacting to your financial genetic code. You are rewriting it. You are no longer surviving economic conditions. You are structuring outcomes. You are no longer chasing income. You are shaping lineage. I want you to consider, legacy is not measured by what you leave behind. It is measured by what continues. It's creating financial footprints. So if you haven't already, get your copy of Generational Wealth Begins with Generational Knowledge. Also visit drjwallace.com. Join the newsletter. Continue the journey. This is not the end. It is only the beginning of a totally different trajectory for you and your family. Generational Wealth Begins with Generational Knowledge now lives in you. That knowledge you can now transfer. You can start a new trajectory. So I want you to continue the work. Make sure you continue the conversations. Continue the discipline. Because one day, someone will stand in the shade of a tree that you planted. Take care.